In this video, I'm breaking down everything you need to know about toilet plumbing installation so you can handle it like a pro without stressing or calling a plumber every time. Alright, first off, when you're installing a toilet, you gotta make sure the flange is solid and sitting flush with the floor. It's like the foundation for your whole setup. Next, always check your wax ring. This little guy creates a watertight seal between the toilet and the drain pipe, so don't cheap out or skip it. When you set the toilet down, align the bolts perfectly and tighten them evenly to avoid any cracks in the porcelain. Tight, but not too tight, you know? Also, don't forget to level the toilet with a carpenter's level so it doesn't rock or leak later on. Connecting the water supply is pretty straightforward, but look out for leaks by turning the valve slowly and checking all around the base after installation. If you're replacing an old toilet, make sure to clean off any old wax residue from the flange because that can mess with your new seal. And hey, test flush multiple times before sealing everything up to catch any leaks early. Lastly, if you're not feeling super confident, grab a buddy or call in a local contractor. Sometimes having an extra set of hands makes all the difference. One of the biggest problems people run into is not securing the toilet bolts right, which can crack the bowl or cause it to wobble. Just remember to tighten bolts evenly and don't go Hulk mode on them. Another common mistake is ignoring leaks around the base, which usually means your wax ring isn't sealing properly. Swapping it out usually fixes that quick. And then there's the issue of a misaligned flange. If it's too high or too low, your toilet won't sit right and could leak or be unstable. Using flange extenders or adjusting the height solves this. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot if you want to find trusted local contractors who actually know their stuff and won't charge you an arm and a leg. Plus, if you're a contractor yourself, it's a great way to connect with homeowners looking for help on projects like toilet plumbing installation or any other home upgrade.